Hi, my name is Katrina, and today I'm reviewing this product for you. This is the BIO-112 sludge digester. It has patented bacteria and enzymes, and it works at breaking up the sludge, the black tar, and the biomat under your leach field. I've used it before as a shock, and then I've used the other products from the same company for maintenance. However, recently I had neglected my septic tank, and so now we're having issues. So we're back. We're again going to shock the tank and get started back on maintenance. I strongly recommend this product. I had called to find out about having my tank pumped out again, and at this point in time the prices were starting at $700 and up just to have it pumped out. And honestly, I really need to get the bacteria back in there and get the actual system functioning again. So this is where we're at. We've purchased this, and we're going to be starting with the shock, and we're going to get back on a maintenance schedule. I strongly recommend all of the products from this company. Again, I've been a customer since 2006, and these products work well when used as directed. This again is the BioSafe 1 BIO-112 sludge digester.